recently added feature to the Foothill website is the Quick Role Sign-Up option. The website administrator has the capability of turning on or off members' ability to sign up for any roles that are currently unassigned in any future agendas which have been posted to the club calendar. This feature was added by the free Toast Host website administrators so that members of clubs who wish to self-assign roles and positions each week could do so. However, as our Vice President of Education currently creates an assignment roster well in advance and covers about an 8-week period, most role assignments are included in the weekly agendas posted by the Foothill website administrator. As of the making of this particular video, the only 2 positions that members can sign up for, if vacant, are the 2 speaker slots each week. These role sign-up selections can be modified, and it's hoped that this feature will be made more use of in instances where members scheduled to cover a particular role withdraw, thus allowing any other member to take their place by signing up via the agenda for the open position. As was seen in the agenda tutorial, this menu option offers the member another way to signify their attendance at any future meetings which have been posted to the club calendar by the website administrator. Simply click on your planned attendance choice seen in item 2, then click on the Set Attendance button in item 4. Another feature of this menu item is that you can leave yourself any meeting notes or reminders to yourself that will appear at the bottom of the agenda for the date you have selected. Click on the Meeting Notes button in the upper right to open a message window. Type in any notes or reminders you wish into the note space, and when finished, click the OK button. If you change your mind and don't want to leave yourself any notes, click the Cancel button or click on the X in the upper right corner of the message box. Remember, the notes you leave for yourself will only appear at the bottom of the agenda for the date you had previously selected. The Quick Meeting Role Sign-Up feature is another useful communication tool for members to make their availability known not only for attending meetings, but being able to cover any last-minute position vacancies that might pop up from time to time. If you have any comments or suggestions on which roles you think should be made available for members to sign up on, please let your website administrator know.